Tonight, we are using Motor Trimax QuickFold, the latest and newest electric vehicle at Motor Electric, the big brother of Motor Tri-Lite QuickFold. Let us start with the most frequently asked questions, or FAQ. Is this rechargeable? Yes, this is full electric, plug and play. Pag nalobat kayo, pwede kayo mag-charge. It takes around 4 hours to charge from 0% to 100%. Next frequently asked question is how long does it last? So based on paper, we have 30 to 45 kilometers per full charge. So this will be tested pa by our riders, by our testers. But this is possible because we have a whopping gano'ng kalaking battery capacity. So isa pang tinatanong yan, 36 volts 8Ah battery, lithium-ion battery. So isa pa yung frequently asked question is what kind of battery? Kasi ang lithium-ion battery ay matibay, long-lasting versus sa lead-acid batteries. So itong unit na to, kahit mababa ang presyo, ay naka-lithium-ion battery na. So itong model na to kahit malubak, roadworthy. So si Tri-Lite kasi na-advise ko sa ano lang siya, sa patag at magandang daan. Etong si Trimax kahit mga malubak kaya. Makikita nyo naman dinadaanan natin ngayon. Walang problema ang lubak since malaki yung gulong nito. So gaano kalaki yung gulong nito? Tri-Lite has a tire of 8 inches while etong si Trimax natin meron tayong 10 inches. So mas malaki yung gulong natin. So bigger tires for me are safer. Ano nga tayo? Pwede tayo mataw dito eh. Ano tayo? Speed test. We are at 13 kph, 20 kph. Malakas din. Alright, so active na yung GPS natin sa watch. So we have 3 gears. The first gear has a top speed of 7 kph. Let's try second gear. It's definitely faster. Mas malakas na yung acceleration natin. Second gear is running up to 15 kph yung second gear. Okay, konting uphill, kaya niya. Let's try third gear. So ito kasing sa watch natin, mas accurate to. Naka-GPS to. Woo! Para ako nag-off-roading. Doon tayo sa highway. Okay, hataw tayo. Woo! Drifting. Okay. At third gear. Malakas din siya. Humahataw din. Okay, we have 25 kph. Okay, top speed natin ay 25 kph. Dito sa dashboard natin naka 20 lang, pero dito sa GPS natin mas accurate, 25 kph. Woo! So quick fast specifications tayo. Starting with the handlebar, we have a left brake lever. So naka front brake set tayo, drum brakes. Meron tayong twist throttle to accelerate, so parang motor siya. Iniikot lang. At kinaganda nito comparing kay Tri-Lite is si Tri-Lite walang reverse button but this has a reverse button. Actually, try natin ngayon. Meron ditong R na button. Press nyo lang yan, I think. And yes. Wow! We are going on reverse. So, perfect talaga to pang PWD Senior. Kasi meron siyang reverse. Okay, forward na tayo. Then meron din tayong speedometer dito and voltage meter and battery bar dito sa right-hand side natin. May dashboard tayo. Pababa, aluminum alloy body with a footrest and fender sa harap. 10 inches na yung gulong nito. Again, mas malaki, mas safe sa road. Kung for road usage gagamitin nyo. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo paano i-fold kasi sobrang bilis lang katulad nung Tri-Lite natin. Parang big brother talaga to ng Tri-Lite. And kinaganda dito, you can go hands-free. Alright? Since tatlo gulong nito, para kang gumagamit ng unicycle at pwede ka mag hands-free. Okay, let's do hands-free. Kuha tayo konting buwelo tapos hands-free tayo, idol. Hands-free. Pwede mong gamitin pala yung paa mo dito pang control, oh. Oh, magic. Galing ba, idol? Walang kamay? Yeah, ang galing yeah. So who is this for? This unit is for PWD, senior, or bata. Yung mga hindi marunong magbalanse, pwedeng-pwede to. Chairman! Or kahit hindi, pwedeng-pwede sa inyo. Perfect to pamasok sa trabaho, sa school, o kahit saan kasi mabilis lang siya i-fold, magaan. Buhatin natin sa kamay. Kaya pa rin buhatin ng isang kamay. So, I think around 15 to 18 kilos to based sa gauging ko ngayon. May fenders din tayo sa likod as well. At kinaganda nito ay naka-solid tires tayo sa likod. In front, we have a tube type tire. So, combination to ng tube type air-filled sa harap. Then sa likod ay dual solid tire system. Okay? Pakita ko ngayon paano to pino-fold sa inyo, no? Palit lang tayo ng camera. Alright, I'll show you guys how to fold this. Safeties first. Tanggalin niyo yung key. Then, una yung gagawin, akyat nyo lang tong seat. Ganun kabilis. Tapos, pitikin nyo to para boom! Easy peasy. Pwede nga na to itulak ng ganito. Parang luggage. Pwede nyo pasok sa mall, sa parks. At kinaganda na ito, Trimax Quick Fold, mabilis i-fold. Magaan lang, around 15 to 18 kilos lang to estimate ko. And compact siya, pwede nyo isakay sa kotse. Kung gusto nyo dalhin sa mall, pwede. Now, let's demonstrate on how to unfold. Meron tayong susi. Meron tayong susian dito sa gilid. Unlock nyo lang. Then, pwede nyo hilain itong likod. Bam! Tapos, sakit nyo lang to. Easy peasy, darling. Alright? Ibiro eh.
Tara na at maglesonan, baby.